Greetings. I want to take a few minutes and show 2NFORM users how you can use your existing data in the platform to quickly identify where the best opportunities for citing a new full capture system may be, where they're located in your MS form. I'm assuming that we would want to start with evaluating the end of the pipe, or what we call urban drainage outfalls, where it would be possible to treat the greatest trash priority land use, or PLU area, with a single device. I'm going to go into the reporting and planning section, and it's going to load right into the inputs tab. So the inputs tab, the purpose of this is to allow the user to see all the data that's informing both what's in the report, which will be your progress to date, and what you will lock when you submit it to your regulator, as well as the information used to do strategic planning. What we're looking at right now is the trash condition distribution, and the default screen here is the MS4 spatial extent. What I'm going to do is change that to urban drainage. This just shows me all of the drainages now. There are 14 in the city of Salinas. And again, an urban drainage is a series of catchments that drain to a single discharge point. So if I select on one of these, it is going to just show me that urban drainage. And the way that we had drawn these is using, when you did your onboarding, your storm drain system and a specific terminal outfall or discharge point. You can click on each of these discharge points. You can rename them, include their size, their drainage area, and photos. This happens to be a 5-foot outfall that we're monitoring in the city of Salinas at the end of the pipe. So over here on the table, the list of the various catchments are also displayed. And the numbers, if you hover over them, you get the total drainage area of each of these catchments, and you get the total PLU area. So while the input tab has a lot of good information, what I really want to know is, where can I place a single full capture system and treat the greatest amount of PLU area? So I'm going to go to the report tab, and the rolled up summary of the table that we have at the bottom is going to give you the information you need. So again, I'm in the receiving water view, and I have all of the MS4 selected. The city of Salinas has over 6,000 acres of priority land use. To date, based on low litter and full capture, 30% of the way there, based on the certainty level defined for low litter, and of over 200 acres that are within the drainage area of functional full capture systems. The in progress is showing me some areas that are average low litter, but have not been sampled enough to meet the certainty threshold that was put in by the user setting, and a series of full capture systems that need maintenance or additional information. Okay, so on the right again, I'm going to change this to the urban drainage. I'm going to see my 14 drainages, and I'm going to sequentially just go through, select the drainage. Here's again that Acosta Plaza drainage, and I have 320 acres in this drainage of untreated PLU. I can sequentially go through each one of these drainages. It shows me the location of the drainage, it shows me its current progress, and it shows me that opportunity of the untreated PLU as well as the total PLU. And again, these are drawn because of the storm drain system showing that I have discrete terminal outfalls at the end. So this is a place that I want to go and take a look at, learn more about this outfall and whether or not it's an opportunity for catchment and full capture siting. Well, of course, there's going to be other information that you will use, right, to actually pursue the design and funding and which one of these may be the best places to treat full capture systems. This is giving you a great first step in your implementation strategy. Also remember that the regional board will have access to your read-only records within 2NFORM when you lock your trash data at the end. So think of ways that you can make the communication of your full capture citing strategy to your regulator more efficient by leveraging the information that they already have in the platform. Again, here's another drainage area, urban drainage area, 419 acres of potential. I mean, obviously you could treat the whole thing, so that's over 700. So let's start thinking about and inspecting this outfall and thinking about its opportunities to treat the capacity of these, of the acreage within this drainage area. So if you have any suggestions on how to make 2NFORM help you do your job, we're always interested in understanding what makes this as usable as possible for all of you. And until next time, take care.